children, today we are going to start with chapter 3, that is the states of India. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different states of India, right? We have 28 states and our India is divided into two types of government, that is central and the state government. So this is the map. You have to mark all the states. सब states आपको mark करनी है and then you have to write their capital also. When India became independent on 15th August 1947, right? Independence, what they gives us? It gives us right to choose our own government and run our country in our own way. और हम अपने तरीके से अपनी country को run कर सके, right? First is central government. What is the work of central government? We have government to look after the security of our country and the welfare of its people. We call it central government. Its offices are in the capital city of India, New Delhi. The president, the prime minister, other minister, and office of central government they live in Delhi. Right, state government, which solves the problem of the vast country, but because of the very big size, the problem too are big. Hence, to lessen the problem, the country has been divided into small portion or parts. Each set part is called the state, and each state has its own government. हर एक state की अपनी अपनी government होती है. We call it state government, right? You can see here the different states have been given. This is Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal, then Uttarakhand. This is Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat. This is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana, which is separated from Andhra Pradesh. We have Goa, that is the smallest state, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. What are these? These are the different states of India. You should learn their capital also, right? Then we have union territory. We have 8 UT and 28 states. Even though there are separate government or separate state, if we talk about, and some parts of the country still remain under the direct control of the central government. तो कौन रहता है आपके यूनियन टेरिटरी, राइट? कितनी स्टेट्स हैं? 28 स्टेट्स हैं, 8 यूटी है, न्यू दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया एंड एवरी स्टेट हैज इट्स ओन कैपिटल. Or governor and chief minister and other ministers who work for their states live in the capital of the represented state. Most important offices are located in the capital. ज़्यादातर जितने भी important office है वो आपको हमेशा capital में देखने को मिले. Next is people. India has very large population. People of many religion live here. ठीक है, अलग अलग religion के लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. And crops like wheat, rice, vegetable and pulses are grown. Clothes almost are the same, wearing like kurta pajama, pant shirt, sari, blouse, dhoti kurta. Here some states has been given in the alphabetic order, like Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, and your Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and your Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु, त्रिपुरा, उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड एंड योर वेस्ट बंगाल. ये अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर्स में दिए हुए हैं आपको. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट यूनियन टेरिटरीज, वी हैव अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड, चंडीगढ़, दादर नागर हवेली, लद्दाख, अंडमान एंड निकोबार, योर लक्षद्वीप, दिल्ली, योर पुडुचेरी, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.